So, ayan na po mga kabayan, dumating ang aming order. Kainan time. Let's eat. JC, enjoy siya. There's my father-in-law, good-looking father-in-law. Tara, we're going to eat. Yes. You don't want to be? Oh, you don't care? Okay. All right, go. I'll follow you guys.
Except you're showing me not to be a gentleman to open the door.
Thank you. Gutom na kami. Gutom na, gutom.
Oh, yeah.
So, ito mga kabayan. Dito kami sa Golden Chopstick ulit. Kasama namin yung father-in-law ko at saka yung aming apo na si JC. Nandun sila kumukuha ng pagkain. There we go.
Now you can take a picture of eating, huh?
Video. JC. Lolo and Lola missed you. Yan. What does it say, Dad?
A real friend asks to spend time with you, not money.
Ooh, is that good? Yeah, sounds good, huh? Don't you think so?
A real friend wants to spend time, not money. That's good.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Look at the evidence.
That's nothing.
That's nothing.
That's nothing.
Binubo ko eh. Ayun si Taya, oh. Ayun si Taya.
Huh?
Ikaw Taya eh.
My first fortune was nothing. There was nothing in it.
How about you, JC? What was it again?
Any decision you have to make tomorrow. Any decision you have to make tomorrow is a good decision.
Yeah, he can read. Lola is proud of you. Look at his face. Yes, JC. I'm gonna try to get. It didn't work?
Well, because you don't have a lot.
I didn't have enough?
You don't have all quarters. Oh, never mind, you do.
Oh.
I found them. They were all stuck in the corner.
Oh, you didn't look.
There you go. Thank you. Good to you. Okay. Have a good day.
Good luck. I hope you get one. Here, give it to me so you can concentrate. Oh, almost.
Yes.
He's got my coin wallet. Is there any more JC in there? Oh, okay. Good luck this time. Second time. Second try. Almost, you almost got it. The yellow one?
There's a lot of yellow there.
Yeah, but
Well, the one right there.
Oh, Pikachu.
right where he is.
Oh, he wanted the Pikachu.
Are you sure?
Pabayaan mo mag-concentrate, be. Oh. Ah! Science! Okay, next time. Better luck next time.
Oh, yeah.
Bring it in the garbage. She said it's really heavy.
Larry. First tree. Whoops! I'll open it. Ayan mga kabayan, andito kami na naman sa Buffalo Wild Wings. Itong isa, tingnan nyo. So, ayan na po mga kabayan, dumating ang aming order. Kainan time. Let's eat. JC, enjoy so.
Thank you sa hapunan.
Ikaw magbabayad yan. Tingnan mo eh. You're welcome. I'm paying. Kasi ikaw kagabi.
Inunahan ka pa talaga eh.
Inunahan ako. There you go, JC.
Hello, Matata.
Hello mga...
Louder.
Hello mga kabayan.
Hello, magkabayan.
Ito na naman po kami. Driving.
Always. As always.
Yeah. Hindi naman kasi tayo naglalakad madalas. Kasi malayo ang mga pinupuntahan natin eh, no? So, ayun. Nakapaglakad lang ako pagka ano, nasa trabaho ako. Parang hindi malinaw ang ano, no? Buba. Dahil kaya sa ano yan?
Yes, lens lang yan.
Sa lens.
Hindi tama lens lang yan. Screen.
But otherwise, malinaw pa yan pagka sa iba. Okay. Anyway, yun po. Makiki-birthday po kami.
Nadala mo ko yung number.
Yes. I have it. And with us is JC. Kanina pa. Excited na siya. You're excited, JC? Yes. You will see Lycan, Logan, Mikey. Who else? Who else?
Ako?
Ah? Is it Joya? How do you pronounce the name? Ha?
Hindi niya i-pronounce yan.
Come on.
Asal na yan eh.
Napipikon na kanina pa kasi na niloloko. Hindi inaasar. Inaasar mo. Kanina pa niloloko, binibiro ng ano niya eh, lolo. Yung anak ng kaibigan namin, halos kay Daran niya, na babae. Niloloko namin, binibiro pa. Na syuta-syuta niya. Anyway, sana po hindi malabo ito yung aking video kasi parang malabo sa tingin ko.
Eh, pa-shades kayo. Kaya malabo.
Yeah. At saka makulimlim yung araw ngayon. So, kaya siguro rin malabo. Tingnan natin kung makakapag tayo doon, makakapag-record or video kasi lagi sila nag-play ng music. Pwede ko na lang kaya gusto ko sana marinig yung mga, alam mo na yung chikahan sound ng talaga party. Eh, pag may music, wala. Copyright eh. Copyright ako. Automatic yan, copyright. Pagka may kasamang music na galing sa party. So, sayang, pag lang, nakipapakita ko lang siguro mga pagkain. Tapos talagyan ko ng sarili ko ng music na mo. Pictures.
Left on Riverside Drive.
Ayan no. Makulit-ulit. Ha?
Everything's green again.
Madalas natin ito nakukuhaan dito.
Siyempre. Ang dami nyo eh.
Ayan o. Kita nyo yung bahay na yan?
Bahay pa rin.
Lagi namin nakukuhaan pagka nagbablog ako. That's the Rock River. Ayan. Dito na. Dito na tayo sa party. Naririnig ko na yung music. I think we're the first one.
Oh, there it is. Ah.
I've had people ask me that. I'm like, no.
Okay, ready? Set, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ayan mga kabayan, no? Pauwi na kami galing sa party. Pansin ako.
Oh, paalis na oh.
Paalis na oh, fire truck lang pala. Pero bakit?
Ganyan talaga pag may mga ano dito, yung emergency call. May police at may ano, fire truck sa mga ano.
Oh, baka
dito sa mga nursing home.
Oh, kasi malapit kami sa mga nursing home lang, yung neighborhood namin.
So yan dyan pa yung ambulance oh. Ayan, oh.
Asan?
Ayan, oh.
Ayaw nga ano. Ayan oh, nursing home yan. Yung ambulance.
Yeah. So yun, nursing home yun. Plus ito, yan, that's a nursing home.
Yeah, I know. It's memory clinic. Yung ano namin, yung street namin, maraming mga nursing home. Kaya pag tumanda ako, diretso mo na lang ako dyan, be.
Kaya bibisitahin kita dyan. Dadali ko na sa bahay yan para magtanghalian. Tapos na magtanghalian eh, bawal ko sa inyo, ha?
Kaya lang.
Hapunan.
Ang sama mo. O yan, o, planado na. Pag tumandang tandaan na talaga ako, planado na. Hello! We are at the garden. Hindi, kung gusto nyo magtanim, dito kayo pupunta. Bili ng mga Isn't it pretty? Pretty, pretty. Look. Wow.
I like this.
Yes. Oh, look at JC over there. See that? This right here. Oh. Pine tree. What's this one? I don't know what they call that. That looks like
This looks like from the Hawaii tree.
or could be from the Philippines. No, it's actually tropical plants. Wala pa ko ang alam sa ano, mga garden sa mga plants. Palm tree? Is that what it says? Oh, yep. Nice. What is that? Oh, look at this. JC, oh, tago.
There's spikes.
Don't get poked. Which one you like? You wanna buy? Yeah, you wanna plant? You wanna plant some flowers or trees, JC? Yeah. Ayan, no? Dito sa mayroon silang nursery ng mga flowers over there. So, kaya lang wala naman kaming yard or garden. Masarap lang magtingin-tingin na maano sa mata. Look, he's taking pictures.